Now here's a question you're asked to subtract these and simplify if you can. So they're both fractions, so I need to get a common denominator. So I'll factor each one. So the first one I'll factor to x minus 4, x plus 4, minus the next one, two things that multiply to 4, add to 5, probably 4 and 1. And you could check those, but I think those are correct. Okay, now if I'm subtracting fractions, I have to get a common denominator. So the common denominator, x minus 4, x plus 4, needs to be x minus 4, x plus 4, and an x plus 1. So I need to multiply both top and bottom on this one by an x plus 1. On the other one, I got x plus 4, x plus 1. I need to multiply both top and bottom by what? Hopefully it said x minus 4. That would be correct. Okay, so now I have a common denominator. I'll just write one of them. X minus 4, x plus 4, x plus 1. And then on the top, I have x times x plus 1. And I have minus 4 times x minus 4. Okay, now I'll try and simplify the top. I'll just leave the bottom alone. I won't change that. So the top will be x squared, so distributive property, plus x, and then minus 4x, and minus 4 times minus 4 is a plus 16, over that lowest common denominator. And then on the top, it looks like I combine these two middle terms, so it'll be x squared, 1x minus 4x will be a negative 3x, plus 16 over the lowest common denominator. And I would leave it exactly right there. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that one.